Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So la emva kwami nginobani nosinoxolo kwayiba. Sinoxolo kwayiba umdlalo odlalela iChipa United aphinda adlalela iBafana Bafana. Niwabonile ama games ade wadlala neBafana Bafana. The two friendly international games ade sinawo esiBafana Bafana. Yabo. First game I didn't see much of usinoxolo kwayiba, but the second game I saw igoal lakhe umchita, a beautiful goal from a beautiful set piece eqhamuka unkota beshaya icorner kick enhle umchita waqhamuka umchita wakwazi ukuyipositiona lapha eboxini wahead ibhola yabo. So senyazazi ke indaba ngosinoxolo kwayiba. Usinoxolo kwayiba is a player from iChipa United ozojoin Orlando Pirates. Yabo, lo mchita lo ozojoin Orlando Pirates isizini uma entsha ivulwa. So abantu abaningi ade ngibabona online bempraise lo mchita lo besho uthi hayi lo mchita lo uzohlalisa uTito Maswanganyi ebenchini. Yabo, I'm not against that. Yabo, everyone have their own different views. Yabo, wonke umuntu unama views akhe, nami ngizozama ukubeka iview yami. Yabo, to be honest, lo mchita lo I don't see him as a proper number 10. Yabo. When we talk about a proper number 10, we are speaking about umuntu okwazi ukudlalisa team. Yabo. Okwazi ukudlalisa team. Mina angimboni lo mchita lo engakwazi ukuyidlalisa Orlando Pirates. I'm not saying he's not good enough for Orlando Pirates. That is not what I'm saying. Akuboni lo ngikusho, but I'm not saying angisho ukuthi akekho good enough, but I don't think akwazi ukufika athathe irole edlala uDlamini, afika athathe irole edlala uTito Maswanganyi. Bungamthanda uTito Maswanganyi, don't drag this boy into the conversation ya Tito neposition yakhe. Yabo, umchito uyadlala but udlala ngendlela yakhe. Yabo, uTito Maswanganyi udlala libhola leli esijwayele ukulibona mase libona ikasi. uDlamini udlala ibhola lakhe yedwa uDlamini usemhlabeni wakhe yena yedwa nje. Inkinga kaDlamini akamaki, but when I look at this guy, ngibonile ama games akhe kuBafana, ngijwayele ukwabona ama games akhe kwiChipa United. You see when they play big games, yabo, when they play big games, teams like Stelis, teams like Mamelodi Sundowns, teams like Kaizer Chiefs, I don't see him. They even played against the Orlando Pirates, I didn't see him. Yabo, angimboni as number 10. Phela simthengela uthi awudla number 10, asimthengela uthi awudlala enye position, but mina iyodwa position lo mjida lo ebengimbona enga right kuyona. Mase check ama stats akhe, ama stats akhe awafani njengamanye ama number 10s akhona la ku Premiership. Kuma number 10 kule position ayidlalayo uyena o lead down ngamagoli. Kwi position ayidlalayo as number 10 is a central attacking midfielder. Uya lead amagoli, uya lead ama assist. Yabo. So kule position leyana, for me I think lo mchida lo udlala more of a center forward than a central attacking midfield, because ayenze sense akwazi ukuyidlalisa team. Yes ama goals ayiwinisa team. Angifuni uqhama ama goals ayiwinisa team, but thina simthengela usakwazi ukudlalisa team. Do you think mase kufika ku Pirates so dlalela linye ibhola next season? Angifuni uqhama lo coach uzofika, yabo, uzodlalisela linye ibhola, but siyamdinga number 10. Yabo, ngesikhala uthi uTito akazidlalisi kahle, akazidlalisi leli ball. Kanti liphi ibhola esifuna ukudlala? Because thina sifuna i-ball playing midfield, attacking midfield. Just sofaka lo uzofaka, yabo, ama numbers phambili. For me I see him as more of a striker than number 10. Ayikabi. I see him more of a striker than number 10. Maybe you may debate with me in my comments. Yabo, maybe masimfaka kwiPirates. Ngamfaka phambili mina ngifuna uqhama. Ngiyamfaka nje phambili. Ngithi azindoda siyadlala namhlanje. We don't have a striker is available. Let us see what you can give us up front. Yabo. Simbone ukuthi angenzani umjida. Umphushe kancane nje athi ukusondela lapha phambili. Mhlambe simfake uMahopa on that day, sithi kumphusha kancane, yabo, asukudlala noMahopa phambili. Sibonisa ngasenzelani. Yabo, I see him as a center forward, because if you ban le goal elikore kuBafana Bafana, you can see ukuthi no man, uyakwazi ukuyipositiona lo mjida. Yabo, indlela ayipositiona ngakhona ngathi uyi-striker, indlela ayipositiona ngakhona eboxini. But ke ungangitshela ama comments wena ngokwakho, uzizwa kanjani ngokuthi Orlando Pirates izosayina lo mjida? Ingabe uzomhlalisa ngempela yini uTito Maswanganyi ebenchini? But for me I don't think uzomhlalisa uTito Maswanganyi ebenchini. Ayikabi, I don't think uzomhlalisa. I don't think uzomhlalisa ayikeke. ayike maybe ucoach uzofika ngeke alithanda ibhola lika Tito enye yezinto lezi engadolisa uTito ahlale ebenchini but ku number 10 I don't think lo mjito uzoshine ku number 10 role but ke I'm ready for him to prove me wrong yabo ngiyafuna ukuthi angiprove wrong but ibhola lakhe ngiliboni mina mfethu ngabe singamshintshisa iposition yabo kazi singamshintshisa iposition kancane athi ukudlala kwenye position because lapha ku number 10 number 10 kumele ube naleyo flenyana I haven't seen this guy uses his play mwasubheke on number 10 abakhona emhlabeni jikelele mwasuye kwi Real Madrid banayo number 10 but abamsebenzisi njalo umntwana ethi uAtakola masuye ku Arsenal ukhona lo mchida lo uOdegaard uye ku Man United ukhona lo mfana lo uBruno Fernandes yabo proper number 10s when you speak about number 10 kumele ube naleyo flenyana yabo that sauce uye lapha kwe Manchester City bakhona Silva Bernardo Silva yabo bayadlala kuleya position number 10 akumele asemdinga umuntu stiff ku number 10 asemdinga umuntu ongawakhipha ama pass early number 10 sidinga nje umuntu okwazi ukuyicontrol iplay yabo I think uVitinha from PSG plays as a number 10 if I'm not mistaken but one correct I think that guy plays as a number 10 ku PSG yabo sidinga abantu abakanjalo abantu abakwaziyo ukumova nebhola in tight spaces abantu akwazi ukushama pass abantu abakwazi ukuyifunda igame ungavele nje ungene nje mfethu ube stiff lapha ungawa create ama passes wadingayo we need creative players in that position. That is why we have Tito Maswanga. That is why we have Dlamini. If he comes to Orlando Pirates, he must be that creative player. Utilizer. I'm not saying the guy cannot play. The guy can play. But for that position, I don't see him in that position. You're striker. But again, ngimfisela okuhle. Yabo ku future yakhe engakuthi angafika kuthina asinikeze lento sidinga right now asifuna ukucothozisa abadlali yabona into ukucothozisa abadlali mase kusayena manje wena kumele sikucothozise cause yabo hayi Orlando Pirates misayina right now kumele isayina abadlali sazi kahle ukuthi okay next season so win league we don't need players esawaqala sibacothozise manje leyo nto leyo izosibulala kakhulu because fana nokuthi sisobhile enye project kufanele lento benze uJose Rivero wafika bamsayinela abadlali abangekho ku level e right ukuthi singakwazi ukuchallenge Sundowns for ileague yabo uze wayi-challenge Sundowns for ileague isizini yakhe yesithathu yabo lo badlali lawo besebenaleyo nto leyo yabo yokudlala as a together besebene togetherness yabo so mefika na kumele add quality angabe umdlali mfethu